This is Emily, the reference librarian. Today I would like to highlight the Consumer Reports database. So you'll start out by going to our website, preblelibrary.org, and clicking on eLibrary, and then Research Databases. On this page, our databases will be separated into categories. You can find consumer reports under a couple of different categories, either business and finance or consumer reports. So you'll click on the blue link to open the database. At this point, you may be asked to enter your library card if you're on your home computer. So we click on the link again. Okay, now you can use consumer reports to look up product reviews. And here's some popular products that they review. You can also look for news articles about certain things. Like I looked up air fryer earlier, and so it's kind of focusing on small kitchen appliances here. And you can either look up a product, click on the All Products A to Z list, or look down here at products tested in our labs. Okay, so we'll type in something. Okay, and it'll give you recommendations and ratings for each product. And if you want like a comparison list, you can there's a print option over here where you can just print it out from your computer. And it also gives each product an overview, ratings, and a buying guide. If you have any questions, please call your local library. Thank you and have a good day.